Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to remove background noise in CapCut PC. So let's get started. First thing first, you just need to first select the audio. Like I have two audio right over here. First in the video, okay? So I have a audio with the video. Then I have added extra audio clip in right over here. So first, in which clip you want to remove the noise from, you need to find out. First of all, I want to remove the noise for this video clip, so I will select that. Then go to the audio section right over here, just tap on the audio. Then here you can see option reduce noise. You just need to select it, and it will take some time to remove the noise. As you can see, we have successfully removed the noise. And also, if we want to remove this music noise, we can also do that by reducing the noise. Click on that and it will be reduced in no time. So I think this video helps you out. If yes, please do like, share, and never forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day.